Put the happiness plant in your house, and see what happens. Indoor plants are not only decorative, they are able to create a healthy and pure environment in our home. The Dracana fragrans or water stick is also known as a happiness plant. It is ideal for the inexperienced because it is very easy to take care of, is not prone to suffer pests or fungi, and is a great air purifier. This vegetable only requires a place with indirect light and is watered once every 3 weeks in winter and every 7 days in summer. Its main feature is that it is able to purify more air than other indoor plants. And an oxygenated environment improves our concentration and productivity, making it ideal also for offices and workplaces. In addition, it is proven that by its characteristics helps to prevent headaches, dizziness and weakening of the immune system. It also improves mood and recovery from serious illness. According to studies conducted by NASA, it also has the ability to remove and filter toxic compounds such as benzene, formaldehyde and xylene, as well as harmful compounds of cigarettes. In turn, it increases the humidity of the air of our home, which helps to keep the mucus, throat and skin well hydrated. It improves allergies and asthma, being able to capture up to 20% of the dust suspended in the air. As if its virtues were few, this vegetable is really beautiful and improves the appearance of any room, giving it life.